Hi everyone. Ready to see how Excel can do real statistical process control? This is a fully automated SPC workbook built entirely in Excel 2021. No VBAs, no macros, just formulas and logic. It tracks your process variation, tests your data using Western Electric WICO rules, and builds dynamic individual moving and range charts that update the instant new data is entered. Whether you're a production engineer or a quality manager, this tool gives you real-time control right from your desktop. It all starts here, the input sheet. You enter your measurements. This can be a stress, a thickness, dimensions, anything you want to monitor. The moment you hit enter, everything else updates automatically. Behind the scenes, the SPC test engine calculates averages, moving ranges, sigma values, and control limits. You don't have to run scripts. You just see live SPC math happening in real time. Here's where the data comes alive, the IMR report. The individual's chart shows your process results point by point. The moving range chart tracks short-term variation. As new data arrives, the control lines, the mean, the upper control limit and lower control limit shifts automatically. Any out of control points are instantly flagged, giving you a visual alert that something has changed. This chart isn't static, it's dynamic, linking directly to your process. And here's the brain of the system, the WICO rules engine. It tests each data point against proven SPC rules. For example, 1 point beyond the limit is flagged, or 2 or 3 beyond the 2 sigma line can get flagged, 4 or 5 beyond 1 sigma, or even 8 in a row on one side of the mean. If a rule is triggered, the workbook flags it automatically. Then the WICO report summarizes which rules were hit and when, giving your management-ready insights instantly. This means your SPC doesn't just show variation, it interprets it as well. So in just minutes, you can go from raw data to fully automated SPC insight. No coding required and no external software is needed. The workbook connects your inputs, analysis, and reports seamlessly, helping you detect trends before they become defects. If your team wants real SPC visibility and automated WICO control, all inside a single Excel solution, then this solution delivers it. Thanks for watching. Reach out to learn how this SPC workbook can bring next level quality control to your process and your organization. See you next time.